the root of a binary search tree BST and an integer val. Find the node in the BST that the node's value equals val and return the subtree. If such a node does not exist, return null. Yeah, okay, this is good practice. I should definitely know this. So we'll just say we'll just say if root, how about we say like if not root, like if the this way we can we'll have like a termination case, and also if we're given an empty binary search tree, we just know right off the bat. So we say if not root, return false. Otherwise, if root val equals if root val equals val, return true. Return the subtree rooted with that node. Actually, we'd just say return root. Yeah. Otherwise, return. You just recurse through. Return search BST self. Return self search BST. Actually, to be more specific, we'll say if val is less than root val, return, we go the left route. And we don't care if the left route is none because it'll get handled right here. Search BST root.left val. Otherwise, same thing, but we take the right route. Wrong answer. Why? Oh, sorry, not false. Return none. There we go. Kapow. Okay, pretty happy with that.